Welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about Bybit. They have really given out their best. They have really born a lot of Teona Classic. Right now, at the time of recording this, Bybit Exchange have born over 53,287,480 Teona Classic coins. Wow, over 53 million coins of Teona Classic have been destroyed by them. Well, we still know that they are an exchange, though they have not even gone up to 100 million. That's why you can see that Binance have really given full support. Okay, if not for Binance, I wonder where Teona Classic would have been today, because them alone, very soon they will soon hit 40 billion coins. But here's an exchange, Bybit, that is just burning only a little bit over 53 million coins of Teona Classic, 53.2 million. So you see, although I still believe that Bybit, they've really contributed, because it's not easy to show this great support to burn millions of Teona Classic, because this is money. So I will still believe that if we can still get more and more, we have over 600. We have over 600 to 800 top exchanges that can help Teona Classic to really pump. Because Teona Classic, you see, this coin is listed in most exchange. Forget the fact that it is not on Coinbase. Forget the fact that it is not on Robinhood. This coin is on most exchange. Believe me, the top exchanges have already listed the coin. So we still have other exchanges, some of them that we don't even know their names, but they have listed Teona Classic LLC. You see, so for me, if all of them, imagine that each exchange is burning over 100 million coins. That means I believe they all engage in burning of Teona Classic. I believe Teona Classic can destroy in 1 month. They can burn over 30 billion to 50 billion coins of Teona Classic in a single month. But well, we all know that will not happen, because just few burn portals are really active. They have so many Teona Classic burn portals that are dead today, that are not active anymore, that are not functioning anymore. Just few are still functioning. Some stopped burning last year, and some stopped burning for over 1 year. Some only burned once, some burned twice. Okay, so I am so happy to see that Bybit Exchange have burned over 53.2 million coins, and I believe very soon they can still double that. They can hit 100 million burn of Teona Classic LLC. Well, let's keep on supporting Teona Classic, even though we no longer have faith on Teona Classic, but we still need to keep on supporting to see if anything or anyhow can really change every story. If the story of Teona Classic can change, yes, anything can happen at any moment. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.